We are manufacturing and we are manufacturing for multiple brands across Europe, Australia. These are our main markets. Now we are also expanding to Latin America and North America.
Good. How long have you been in this business?
It's been 30 years.
30 years.
Yes, my parents started and now we are the second.
So
You are the second generation.
this is a family
This is
business.
a family
Yeah,
business.
it's a family business.
So what materials do you use for your products? Like
And it's mostly cotton,
Cotton.
and which is made in India and South. It comes from south of India, and we do viscose as well. So we stick to that. We don't because in cotton also there are many varieties. There are like thousands of different kind of varieties. So we are specialized in that, and we want to stick to that.
Okay. So can you show us the production process?
I mean, we
Not the
right now
production
here
process,
we just have the samples. So these you can see we develop in our sampling department. We have designers and we have pattern masters. So they are always working on the new trends.
Right.
What's going to be in fashion in 2025, 26.
Right,
So we see that the textile reports and everything, and according to that we prepare the collection.
Okay. So how do you ensure the quality of your products?
I mean, we have several checkpoints at every step, from the point of getting the fabric in house until the shipment is gone. We
Okay.
have at every checkpoints.
So you have like checkpoint at the every stage
Yes,
of that.
yes.
Okay. So who's your target audience?
I mean, we don't work in India. It's 100% export.
Okay.
So, I mean, our target audience is because we are not a retail brand, so we don't have any target audience. We are working for brands.
Right. Yeah.
These people are manufacturing with us.
Okay.
So you will see that we don't stick to any particular style. We have different kind of style because it depends. Because we are working with hundreds of brands. Every brand has a different style.
Right.
So whatever they give us, we have to make. That's it.
So can I say it's like a export house, like kind of?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the biggest challenges you face in the business?
The biggest challenge is the problem with the government. Like we don't really get that much support as we require.
So what kind of like support you are expecting from
I
them?
mean, the thing is, like in the customs, the process is too late. Sometimes our shipment gets stuck for 3 days, 4 days. Sometimes people are asking for bribes. So that is the only thing that they stop the shipment just because that they can get some
The
bribe,
bribe,
and then
right.
only they will dispatch it to the country. So these things it will just make India not grow at the potential that it can be.
True.
But and at the same time you see China, these people they have their customs open 24/7. Doesn't matter in Saturday, Sunday, day or night, it just keeps on going. So that has to be, the government has to cooperate. If they want to grow the exports of the country, they have to cooperate. Otherwise it's not.
The main question: who are your competitors? Like the main competitors?
I mean, our competitors are all the shops you will see now.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
All the export houses.
The major, like
Major. You can't, I mean,
like the
there-
company who deals in the same category, in the same product range.
I mean, you will see now. Everybody deals in cotton. Cotton is the most basic fabric you will find in India.
Right,
So
yeah.
everybody deals in cotton. Apart from that, when you will see polyester or something, okay, then these kind of fabrics, few people are doing. But cotton is like everybody who is just starting with even one machine is starting with cotton. So I think when it comes to competition, we are competing with everybody, all the factories in India.
And how do you differentiate your products from others? Like what makes you special?
What makes us special
Yeah.
is the prints and the shapes we have,
The
because
silhouettes you have.
I mean the prints, all the prints you see.
Like where are you based?
We are based in Pushkar. Then we have another factory in Jaipur.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Jaipur prints are alag hi rahe.
Ah,
These
block
are
printed
block
products.
prints.
And then we do screen as well.
Okay.
But all the designs we do ourselves.
So, do you use any eco-friendly materials or like do you
Yes.
purchase?
So you see the men's